Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Chef Matthew. It's Friday morning. Freaky Friday. I feel freaky. Yes. Last night, I didn't cook, but Robin and I did have leftover jambalaya pasta. Yes, it was really good. Yes. Held up. Actually, I think it got a little better. My Cajun spice blend just settled into the sauce and the pasta and Today, I'm going to do something fun that I discovered and kind of fell in love with on television. I will admit I like to watch The Kitchen on the Food Network. I think those are some great and talented people. They all get along, at least they seem to. GZ, big fan. I love the way he dresses. He's a class act. Alex, Iron Chef Alex, I follow her on Facebook. She's a class act too. Very talented. Sunny, her and I have something in common. We're both Air Force. She brings home some other thing. The other two, I don't know their names, but they help round out. So I'm actually doing one of Chef Alex's dishes. I don't know if dish is the right word, but let me read it from the top of the recipe. Hot dogs in puff pastry blanket with everything spice. This really caught my eye. It's simple. It's basically quick. Not a lot of ingredients. It's inexpensive. Let me show you. There's the hardware. All right. You heard me talk about puff pastry. There it is. This is why I needed the puff pastry. So it's puff pastry. Hot dogs of your choice. We like Nathan's. I'll be breaking these eggs down to 2 egg yolks. I'm cheating. I am using, they call it everything sprinkled. The recipe actually calls for you to build it from separate ingredients. I asked Robin, hey, isn't there already a jarred everything spice? She brought home that jar for me. For us. All right, let's get back to it. So I'm cheating. I'm just being smart by getting the jarred everything spice. A little bit of flour when you're working with the puff pastry. And there's a recipe for a mustard sauce. A mustard dipping sauce. I'm using a Sierra Nevada Porter spicy brown. It's got honey and an optional hot sauce. Chef Alex prefers Tabasco, and so do I, in something like this. So as you can see, extremely easy. And it's going to be fun. I had a very lengthy day yesterday, taking care of some videos and finishing up some videos and editing and so forth. So yesterday not cooking was a treat and was fun. It was great. Having leftovers was great. But so it's going to be fun today on Freaky Friday to get into something like this. Something that's just simple. It's real easy. I'm actually going to film the prep and creation of this dish. We'll see how it goes. So, on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking. Phenomena.